Hey y'all, it's Hope and welcome back to my channel. So I just got back from a trip to Indiana and I haven't been home for an extended period of time for a while this summer. I'm actually leaving on a trip on Friday now, today's Sunday, so still won't be home. But in these next few days, I kind of want to just get my life organized and together and just really kind of get into a routine that I'm really happy with. So in today's video, I'm just going to be getting my life back together. Let's get into it. So I've been watching Annie Long and she's talked about a master vision and stuff. So I wanted to make one as well, but I kind of just made my own version of it. I might have done it wrong, but this is what's going to work for me. So I started off by kind of writing some goals for by the end of the summer and then some things that I can grow in. So getting stronger and faster, social, getting closer with my friends, YouTube, spiritual, just stuff like that. And then for each of those, I wrote an I am, so that's where I want to be by the end of the summer, but I'm talking about it in current times. So I am ready to race competitively in high school. I am mentally strong to push through workouts, stuff like that. And then underneath that, I put down steps to achieve, because you can't just make up goals. You have to have a plan to achieve those goals. So for physical growth, it's follow my running schedule, attend summer running, attend power camp, stay consistent with small details like form work, stretching, recovery, and stuff like that. And then I did that for everything. So in today's video, I'm going to be following some things, some of my steps for the different sections to try and really get my life together and get prepared. First, like I said, I just got back from a trip, so I'm just gonna start off with the physical growth. And I'm gonna go to the gym and get on the treadmill. Normally I would run outside, but it's 3:15 and it is crazy hot, so I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm probably gonna do a shorter run. I wanna do a tempo run because I haven't done that in a while. But like I said, I haven't done it in a while, so I'll probably take it really easy. I'll probably only do a mile at a time. I'll probably do 2 or 3 miles at tempo pace, plus half mile, 3/4 mile warm up. So let's go do that. So I just took a thumbnail for a video. I got that all set up, took the photo, and then edited the thumbnail. So I've gotten all the YouTube work done today that I need to, besides filming this video. So that also I think is some progress. I didn't really want to work on it, but I kind of just forced myself to get up and do it, which I think was pretty good. I also didn't want to go to the gym, but I forced myself to do that as well. And I think you have to force yourself to do hard things for a little bit, and then once you force yourself to do things enough, then you will want to do them. And once you're at the point where you want to do them, that's when you know that you really have your life where you want to be. Anyways, another thing that I have to force myself to do is clean my desk. This is another thing I was putting off, and I really don't want to do this, but I'm going to. I'm not going to do a full clean out, because I think it's okay if it's a little messy, as long as I know where everything is. And this drawer especially is a mess. There's some things in here that I don't really have a spot for, so I'm just keeping it in here, and that's okay. I have tons of washi tape and stuff in here, and that's okay. But I do need to get it a little more organized, so let's do that. So that was everything I wanted to get done today. I do have more things tomorrow that I'm going to do to continue this getting my life together, but I think I've definitely made progress today, and I'm happy with that. So it's almost 6, so I'm about to have dinner, but I'm just going to chill for the rest of the day. Okay, so I just woke up and did a few basic getting ready things, brushed my teeth, made my bed, and now I'm going to do my Devo and Bible reading. I've actually been pretty good at this the past few weeks, which I'm proud of myself for, and I just want to keep that up and It is something else I wrote on my little master vision that I really want to be consistent with doing this. So basically what I do is first I'll do just one day out of the Devo book, and then I'll take a chapter in my Bible and I'll read through it and I'll like highlight stuff and write notes. Right now I'm in 1 Peter. I'm just kind of doing it randomly, like I did James, now I'm doing the Peters, and I'm just kind of going wherever, but yeah. Another thing that I really want to kind of start incorporating into my mornings is meditating. So I'm just gonna do that for like 5 minutes right now, and I will slowly build my way up. Hey Alexa, play meditation music. So another thing I want to be more on top of is keeping my room clean. So I made myself like a little 2-week schedule for kind of when I clean what. And Mondays for both weeks is wiping down my bathroom counters and cleaning the mirrors. I also have to put away laundry today because like I said, we got back from a trip yesterday, so we had laundry to do. So I have all that cleaning to do, so let's just do that. I just have a little bit of work I want to get done real quick, just some editing. Then I've gotten everything done that I wanted to get done today. It's only like 11 right now, so I'm gonna have lots of time to go to the pool and hang out with my friends. So once I got everything done, I went to the pool to hang out with my friends, and then we went back to one of their houses to hang out some more. And that's just how I finished my day off. I think it's really important to remember that social growth is growth. I made sure to specifically write down social growth in my master vision because hanging out with friends is really important because it like builds you up both in your skills of communication, but also just in your happiness and your well-being. So hanging out with friends is productive and it is important. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the video here. I really hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope it helped inspire you and motivate you to get your life together, or just to get some specific parts of your life together and figure it out. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like it, then subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!